What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a gameplay of Temple Run 2 on my iPod Touch 4th generation. This game was released on iOS devices a few days back, and today I'm going to test it. So let's get started. So the concept of the game remains the same. You need to jump and slide through the obstacles. You need to collect power-ups, collect coins, and make the highest distance score. So the graphics of the game has improved a lot. You get many new textures and elements in the game. The obstacles have been improved, and many new obstacles like the waterfall and the roller has been added to the game. So this is the shield power up. Once the power bar fills up, you can double tap and you can activate it. There are many different power ups available for instead of the shield one, but you need to unlock them. So when you lose your life, there's this save me feature in which you can spend a gem to save your life. It appears again and again when you lose your life. So we'll take one more run again. So this rope is also a new feature. You need to slide to the rope and tilt your device to collect the coins. The turnings of the game are a bit confusing. You sometimes might think there's a way out and you will jump off, but it's a valley, there's nothing. So the ocean obstacle is also new here. So I very much like the design of this new game, but it lags a bit on my iPod Touch 4th generation in few areas. Overall the gameplay is smooth, but the game lags on startups and on turnings. Okay, so the game ended. Now we'll take a look at the different features of the game. So in the game menu you get this get coins option in which you can go to the Temple Run store and you can buy coins and stuff and gems and stuff like that. And now under free stuff you get free stuffs like gems if you like Temple Run page on Facebook or follow them on Twitter. Under the settings tab you have your basic music, sound volume and show tutorial option. Objective tab displays the objectives you have completed, the objectives you have to complete and your current objectives. So under the current tab you have my current objectives, and in the complete tab you have the objectives which I have completed. And under the stats tab you have your statistics of the game. It says your multiplier number, your multiplier value, the highest score you have covered in single run, your longest run, the most coins you have collected in a single run. And under lifetime it says the total games you have played, the total distance you have traveled and total coins you have collected. The leaderboard tab connects to the game center and shows you worldwide scores and your rank. And under more games you have different other games you can download from the developers of Temple Run. And under credits are given to the Temple Run developers. So in the upgrades menu you can choose from, you can also select from 4 players which are Guy Dangerous, Scarlet Fox, Barry Bones and Karma Lee. The Guy Dangerous character is pre-unlocked, but you need to collect coins and unlock the other characters with the coins. Power-ups. These are the power-ups which will be enabled when you double tap when your power bar is full. So the shield one is pre-unlocked. You can unlock the coin bonus and boost and coin magnet and other power-ups by completing objectives and gaining new levels and unlocking new characters. I have currently unlocked the coin magnet one and the other one is default. In the abilities section you have the default Temple Run 1 upgrades like increasing the coin value, increase the coin magnet duration, increasing the boost distance and getting a head start. The new ones in this one are the new features in this one is the shield duration, which increases shield duration by a few different percentages. You have this pickup spawn in which you can spawn more frequently. This is the power meter upgrade, increases the rate with which the power meter is filled. And the save me option reduces save me by 1 gem, and the score multiplier increases your multiplier. So that's it guys, this was my review and gameplay on Temple Run 2. If you like it, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for further videos and like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.